Yes, magandang umaga guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello Philippines, hello UAE, and hello world. Once again, I am Kuya Vincent and welcome to the OxyTop by iTeracare family. And today we will be having a actual live unedited demonstration of our OxyTop machine, our OxyTop device, and we will be comparing it with the dissolved oxygen contents in every water that is available here in United Arab Emirates. So again, oxygen and water, these are the two vital elements that we are normally needing in our body. And the rules of three, a human can survive 3 weeks without food. Really? I can survive 3 weeks without food. A human can survive 3 days without water. But a human can only survive 3 minutes without oxygen, because oxygen is very, very vital in our life, in our health. Try to experiment it. Hold your breath for 3 minutes so that you can prove that oxygen is really, really very, very important. Or else you're gonna die without oxygen. This is the first and last element that you will be given to a person once he enters the hospital. Even the last element that will be given to him even before he or she dies. Oxygen is very, very vital. Truly, the absence of oxygen is the presence of the disease, and vice versa. The presence of oxygen is the absence of the disease. The good thing about the OxyTop, it uses already two elements, water and oxygen. This is the world's first oxygen supplement infuser. We have a lot of supplements already. We are taking a lot of supplements. And this is the world's first oxygen supplement infuser. And we are using water to deliver oxygen in our cells, in our vital organs. Again, today we will be doing a live, actual, unedited demonstration of the OxyTop machine, comparing and measuring the dissolved oxygen meter from different waters available here in United Arab Emirates. So this is the OxyTop, guys. This is our OxyTop machine. And wow. OxyTop, world's first oxygen supplement infuser. There are four ways to get oxygen. Naturally, you can breathe oxygen, air, naturally. But if you want to boost it, you need to have an oxygen concentrator at home. Or if you want to have a hyperbaric chamber, and you can also drink oxygen water using our OxyTop machine. So again, guys, we will be measuring the dissolved oxygen of every water that is available in UAE, from Arwa, Masafi, My Dubai, Al Ain water, Al Bayan water, Laraix, Aquafresh, Jimmy water, Al Ain water, and OxyTop, using our dissolved oxygen meter. So it's a smart sensor. This is the device that we will be using to measure the dissolved oxygen present in our water. Remember, we have also a pulse oximeter, right, guys? In order for us to measure the dissolved oxygen in our oxygen level in our body, we are using the pulse oximeter. So there's also a way to test the dissolved oxygen present in the water. And today we will be having an actual live demo just to test whatever dissolved oxygen content that is present in the waters available here in United Arab Emirates. We have here 9, Arwa, Masafi, My Dubai, Al Ain, Al Bayan, Laraix, Aquafresh, Jimmy water, and Al Ain flower. So now we will do an actual demonstration and measure the amount of dissolved oxygen present in Arwa. How much is Arwa water? We'll try to measure it using our dissolved oxygen meter. This is our device to measure the Arwa water. We'll try to check how much dissolved oxygen available in Arwa water. 7.1, 6.8, 6.7, 6.5. So again guys, this is the dissolved oxygen. This is a tester that is used in aquaculture just to measure 5.9. So this is the oxygen that is available, 6.2, 6.6. That's Arwa, 6.6. Nice. So we're gonna try to put it here, 6.6, 6.6 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. That's Arwa water. Now we will try to measure Masafi. This is another brand of water that is available here in UAE. So how much oxygen does it contain? I'll try to measure. Open. Using the same tester, dissolved oxygen meter, I'm gonna measure how much is the content of this Masafi water. 8, 7.7, 7.5, 7. So that's maybe 7. 6.9, 6.7. This is the amount of dissolved oxygen that is present in Masafi Zero water. 6.3, 6.1. Wow, 6.1 parts, 6.0 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. 6.0. Wow, nice. Masafi is 6.0 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. 6.0 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. That's Masafi Zero. Okay, we'll be measuring my Dubai. This is the water normally I am using. This is my Dubai water. How much is the dissolved oxygen it contains? So we are drinking H2O, right? Hydrogen, 2 parts, and oxygen. But how much oxygen does our water contain when we are drinking? Now the brand is My Dubai. Again, we will test it using our dissolved oxygen meter tester. This is My Dubai. 8.3, 8.0, 7.7, 7.5, 7.2, 7, 6.9, 6.7. So this is the dissolved oxygen measured in parts per million. 6.7. Counting. 6.6, 6.4, 6.3. It's going down. 6.1. That's My Dubai water. 6.0 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. 6.3, 6.6. So that's 6.6, 6.4. So it's still dropping. 6.3 parts per million. Okay. 6.3 parts per million in My Dubai water. 6.3 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Now we will be measuring the dissolved oxygen in Al Ain water. This is Al Ain water. So we'll try to open it and do an actual live test on how much dissolved oxygen it contains. So this is Al Ain water, guys. So how much dissolved oxygen it contains right now? It's 7.3, 7.2, 7, 6.8, 6.5, 6.4. So how much dissolved oxygen? 6.7, 6.8, 6.7, 6.4. This is the amount of dissolved oxygen that is available in Al-Ain water. 6.1, 5.9, 5.8, 5.6, 5.6, 5.5. Still dropping, guys. 5.4, 5.2. Wow. That's the amount of dissolved oxygen. 5.2. This is the lowest so far, huh? 5.2 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. That is Al-Ain water, guys. I am in Al-Ain and this is the water that we have here. So far it has the lowest, 5.2. Now we will be measuring Al-Bayan. Al-Bayan water, this one. Al-Bayan. Kabayan. So sounds like Filipino, but we'll see how much dissolved oxygen the Al-Bayan contains. Using again our dissolved oxygen meter tester. So we'll just try to measure how much dissolved oxygen it contains. 7.5, 7.2, 7, 6.9, 6.6, 6.3. This is the Al-Bayan water, 6.1, 5.9. Wow. Dropping, 5.6. We'll see how much. 5.6. 5.5. So again, guys, we are measuring the dissolved oxygen content of every water available here in United Arab Emirates. This is now the Al-Bayan. It's 5.2. 5.2, 5.1. Wow, 5.1. 5.1. 5.0. Okay, 5.0, guys. This is so far the lowest, 5.0 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. That's Al-Bayan. Now we will go through Laraix water. So we'll just try to measure how much is the dissolved oxygen for the pink water here in UAE, Laraix. We'll try to pour it into glass. That's the pink water, Laraix. Then we'll try to measure again how much dissolved oxygen it contains. So that's 8.0, 7.7, 7.5, 7.2, 7, 6.9, 7.3, 7.5, 7.2, 6.9, 7, 6.9, 6.7. So again, guys, we are measuring the dissolved oxygen content in Laraix water, 6.4, 6.1, 7.3, 7.3, 7.1, 6.9, 6.6, 6.4. It's dropping, guys. 6.2, 6.1, 6.4. That's the average, guys. 6.6. Nice, 6.6. 6.6 for Laraix. So far, it's almost the same as the Arwa. 6.6 parts per million. Now, we'll go to the Aquafresh. This one is the Aquafresh. Aquafresh, how much dissolved oxygen it contains. This is also available here in Al Ain, UAE. Available in the supermarket. Aquafresh water. So we'll try to check how much is the dissolved oxygen for the Aquafresh. So using our dissolved oxygen meter, 8.1, 7.7. This is the Aquafresh, guys, water. 7.5, 7.1, 6.9, 7.3. You know, the freshness of the water depends upon the high amount of dissolved oxygen. The more dissolved oxygen the water is, it's more fresh. Really, it's fresh and healthy water. Low dissolved oxygen in water makes the water unhealthy and stale. That's why you should watch what you are drinking. You are what you eat. And right now, the dissolved oxygen content in Aquafresh water is 6.9, 6.8, 6.6. So this is Aquafresh, 6.9, 7.1, 6.9. So far, this is the highest. 6.8 doesn't go below 6.9. So that's the Aquafresh, 6.9 parts per million. So Aquafresh, again, the freshness of the water depends upon the 6.9 amount of dissolved oxygen. That's why oxygen is life. Without oxygen, you die. Now we will go to the 10th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8th water. Jimmy water. First time I saw this one. Really Jimmy. It's unpopular, but we'll see how much water dissolved oxygen content it has. Again, using our tester, the dissolved oxygen meter. We'll try to measure how much oxygen it contains. It has. So the dissolved oxygen right now is 7.3, 7.0, 6.8, 6.7, 6.8. So you see, this is the Jimmy water. Really, first time I heard about the Jimmy. I saw it, then I just took it. 6.2, just to test how much dissolved oxygen. 6.1, it's dropping, guys. 6.1 parts per million. 6.0, 5.8. So the lesser the dissolved oxygen, so it's unhealthy, really, guys. So don't drink unhealthy water. 6.1 parts per million. Okay, guys, that's Jimmy water. 6.1 parts per million. 6.1 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. And lastly, from our sample is the, what is this? Al Ain flour. Al Ain flour. So we will also measure the amount of dissolved oxygen, how much it contains. The more dissolved oxygen our water that we are drinking, the more fresh it is and the more healthy it is. So again, we'll measure it. This is the 9th water sample test that we will be doing. This is Al Ain flour water. So we'll be measuring the dissolved oxygen, how much it contains, the 8.1, 7.8, 7.6, 7.5, 7.5. Wow. So far, this is the highest. Unknown but highest. Al Ain flour, 7.5 parts per million of dissolved. 7.0. 6.9. Now it's dropping 6.7. How much is the dissolved oxygen content for Al-Ain flower water? Guys, we are now testing all the waters that are available here in United Arab Emirates, and we are measuring the dissolved oxygen content of every water that we are drinking. You know, water is life, and low dissolved oxygen in the water makes the water unhealthy. That's why never drink unhealthy water. Wag lang inom ng inom. So we'll try to measure the oxygen content in every water. 6.2. Okay guys, 6.2 parts per million ang ating Al-Ain flower. 6.2 parts per million. Wow! I'm excited now to measure the Oxytap. Again guys, just for a recap, Arwa water, 6.6 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Masafi, 6.0 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Yan yung amount of oxygen that is available in the water. My Dubai is 6.3 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Al-Ain, so far still the lowest. Al-Ain water, 5.2 parts per million. But he broke the record. Al Bayan broke the record of Al-Ain, 5.0 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. So guys, these are the waters that are available here in United Arab Emirates. Laraix, 6.6 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Aquafresh, this is the winner for today. Aquafresh, so far 6.9 parts per million. Jimmy water is 6.1 parts per million. And lastly, the Al-Ain flower water, 6.2. So these are the 9 waters that we have tested that are available here in the supermarkets in United Arab Emirates. And today we will be testing and comparing the water that will be oxygenated using our Oxytap machine. This is our Oxytap machine, guys. So we will be preparing and we will be measuring how much is the dissolved oxygen content if ever we will be putting our water in our Oxytap machine. So we will be using my water. This is my Dubai water. It has only 6.3 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Then I will be just using this one, just pouring water here. Oops. This is my Dubai. From 6.3 parts per million, then i-Oxytap po natin siya. So we'll be using our Oxytap machine. This is how you do it. For one press lang. This is actually Oxytap. You can use it for 3 presses. But I will just use 1 press. See, I just put the water here. I'll just press it once. Then if you can see how oxygenation starts when I use my Oxytap device. See, it sucks in the water, goes inside, it is being filtered, goes to the oxygenator machine. It removes the hydrogen content and it leaves pure oxygen water. Oxygen dissolved in the water. That's why it's readily drinkable. So once you drink it, you are already drinking oxygen going to your intestine. So it's easily absorbed. You know that it is 10 times faster absorbed in the liver and 6 times faster absorbed in our cells. This is the oxygenated water using our Oxytap machine. So it's like you have your own factory of oxygen at your tabletop, guys. If you have this Oxytap machine, 1 press is 3 minutes. Good to refresh your cells. Two press is good for 6 minutes to re-energize your muscles, your nerves, and to revitalize. 3 press, it will take 9 minutes. This is really good for treating already any health issues that we have. That's the Oxytap. It's really good. Drinking Oxytap increases blood oxygen. Kaya nga yung SpO2 natin, it will increase 5% immediately after 1 minute. So, yung may mga problems with the SpO2, so better use the OxyTop and drink oxygenated water. Right now, after 3 minutes, we will be measuring the amount of dissolved oxygen present in this OxyTop device, the OxyTop water. So again, just for a review, still we will be measuring OxyTop, Arwa 6.6, Masafi water 6.0, MyDubai 6.3, Al-Ain water 5.2, Albayan, the lowest, 5.0 parts per million, Laraix 6.6 parts per million, Aquafresh is 6.9 parts per million, Jimmy water is 6.1 parts per million, and Al-Ain flour 6.2. So far, 6.9 pinaka-highest, Aquafresh, and the lowest is Albayan water. So these are the waters that are available here in UAE, and we will just be waiting of the OxyTop water that we had just put in our OxyTop device, guys. So oxygen is life, water is essential, kaya every houses must have their own OxyTop machine. Kasi nga, not only you will be able to drink, but the entire family as well. Whoa, it's already done. That's 3 minutes, guys. So we will measure how much is the dissolved oxygen content in our OxyTop water, guys. Come on. So we'll try to pour it here. That's the OxyTop water. Then we will be measuring using our dissolved oxygen meter. Okay, guys. This is the OxyTop water. Watch how much is 12.9, 16.9, 18.9, 20.3, 21.1, 21.7, 22 parts per million, 23 parts per million. Wow, it's 400 times percent for 24 parts per million. It's 400 times percent compared to the Al-Ain water, Arwa, MyDubai, Albayan, Laraix, and whatever water that is available here in UAE. Guys, 27 parts per million. Wow, grabe. That's the OxyTop, guys. OxyTop water. Right now, it's 27.3 parts per million. It's going up. 28 parts per million. 28.6. Wow, really so exciting. Guys. So, this is oxygen. At your tabletop, you are drinking oxygen water, improving your health. 28.1, 27.9, 27 point, wow, 28 parts, 29, wow, maybe it can reach even 30 parts per million. Wow, that's 28.5, 29.2, oh, 30.5, oh, nag-error na, 30.5 parts per million, 29.9, so it even reached 30.5. So, ganyan, guys. So, that's the OxyTop. 30. Oh, 30 parts per million. Wow. 29.9, 21, 20. Wow, really. So exciting. Because whatever dissolved oxygen that we took is 400 times higher in our OxyTop machine. That's 30. Wow, 29.5. Wow, 30.6. Okay. 30.6. Wow. Guys, this is the OxyTop water. The amount of dissolved oxygen content, dissolved oxygen present in the water that we are drinking. Oxygen is life, and once it's available in the water, can you imagine if you are drinking OxyTop water? Parts per million of oxygen is 30.6. Arwa is just 6.6. Masafi is just 6.0. 6.3 ang MyDubai. Al-Ain is 5.2. Albayan is 5.0. Laraix 6.0, 6.6. Ang highest lang nila is 6.9 yung Aquafresh. Jimmy 6.1, 6.2. Puro 6 lang po to mga to, guys. Single digit. Wow, see, look at Oxytap. 30.6 parts per million. Wow, this is an actual live demonstration on our Oxytap device. And the oxygen content, yung dissolved oxygen that is available in our water. Arwa, Masafi, May Dubai, Al Ain, lahat pa tong available waters here in UAE. Walang sinabi sa Oxytap natin. So, dissolved oxygen content is really, really essential. Again, low dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen in the water makes the water unhealthy, guys. So, pag may mga kilala kayo, if you know someone who is in need of oxygen, who has oxygen concentrator at home, who is using a hyperbaric chamber, who is in oxygen cannula, basta, those people who are in need of oxygen, guys. So, we have now a device, Oxytap, at your tabletop. All you have to do is drink. All you have to do is drink. It's very, very soft, guys. Very, very soft. Again, this is live, unedited demonstration of our Oxytap device. This is how powerful our Oxytap machine is. It improves the dissolved oxygen content of whatever water that you have at home, whether mineral water pa yan or distilled water pa yan. It only complements the water that you have at home. Basically, it increases the amount of dissolved oxygen content in your water. So again, guys, if you know someone who has a problem with oxygen, we have now a solution thanks to Prife International. Again, I am Vincent, Kuya Vincent from Oxytap by Itera Care Family, and I'm a global distributor of the Oxytap machine. Should you have any inquiries on how to get it, we are delivering it for free here in UAE, Philippines, and around the world. So Oxytap device is the answer to any problem regarding oxygen, hypoxia, lesser concentration, dementia, any health problems that involves decrease in amount of oxygen in our tissues, in our body, in our cells. So again, guys, health is wealth. The presence of oxygen is the absence of a disease. Napakalayo. It's really 400% higher compared to the waters that are available here in United Arab Emirates. So, again, I'm not actually discrediting those waters. These are water still. But again, we need high amount of dissolved oxygen, which is really good for our health. And thanks to Oxytap, the world's first oxygen supplement infuser, one machine, 3 shots with endless health possibilities. It increases the blood oxygen, improving even sports performance. If you know someone is playing football, boxing, basketball, volleyball, triathlon, you can recommend this one because it improves the aerobic metabolism of our body. So, kaya kailangan natin, we really need oxygen. And Oxytap at our tabletop. One device for every family. That's our goal. Here in the Philippines, UAE, and across the world. So, thanks for your time. And I'm just sharing to you the blessings of God through Prife International using the Oxytap to deliver good health to everyone. Again, if you have any questions, PM me and how to get it and the pricing. So just PM me. I'm Kuya Vincent. And follow me at Oxytap by Itera Care Family. And as well as the Itera Care Family both in Facebook and in my YouTube account. So, by the way, later on, we will be doing a separate video live also on the Evian, Fiji, and Volvic. These are the 3 most expensive waters available in the market. These are cheaper waters. Cheaper waters. This is 1 dirham, 50 fils even. But this one is 5 dirhams. Very, very expensive. Because, again, the amount of dissolved oxygen defines the freshness of the water. Thank you, Oxytap. Thank you for listening. Thank you, God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for such wonderful blessings. So we can help a lot of people across the globe using our Oxytap oxygenated water at your tabletop. Thank you so much, and God bless.